Hi everybody, welcome to the February 27th Paper Wishes blog tour. And today I have a few faith cards for you. This blessings card, features the gold embossed boho cross stamp, which I then placed on the label with Dot's embossing folder from Hot Off the Press, and some hammered gold paper. And the embossing folder and the embossed paper rather, I just sort of hit those raised images with some Indian gold tonic Nuvo embellishment mousse, which is just wonderful to work with. You see all that shimmer on this particular card. The next card features indigo lace paper pack, one of my favorites, and the Faith, Hope, Love stamp set would just really was perfect for making these elongated flag banners. And then I added a little ribbon and a flower to top that off. So check these cards out on the Paper Wishes February 27th blog. Thanks.